guys, welcome to my fourth video, how to make a single crochet. So here I have arranged a single crochet, a double crochet and triple crochet so that you can see that single crochet is the smallest of it, double is a little bit larger than that, triple is around 3 times larger than that. So from the chain stitch that you have originally made, a single crochet will start and is just one step above the chain. So let us learn how to make a single crochet now. As of always, before starting a crochet, we start with our basics. We will make a slip knot. If you are not sure how to make a slip knot or if you need a refresher, please go to my video. I will keep a link in the description. Then we start making chain stitches. Chain stitches are the foundation of your crochet. So again, if you're not sure how to make it or if you need a refresher, there is a link in the description with my tutorial. Please go through that. So once we have made a few chain stitches, we can start our single crochet. So let us start the single crochet here. We will start the single crochet where we have ended our chain stitches. So when we end our chain stitch, we end up with one loop on the hook. Then what we have to do is, we have to take the hook, skip one stitch, go to the second stitch. There is a V formation where the chain stitch was made. Put your hook underneath that V, go inside, and then you yarn over and pull the yarn through so that you end up with 2 loops on your hook. Then you yarn over again and pull through both the loops together so that you end up with again 1 loop on the hook. The single crochet is because we always start with 1 loop on the hook. Again, put your hook underneath the V, yarn over, pull the loop through. When you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both. Let's do that again. Go underneath, yarn over, pull through and pull through both the loops. So let us do it one last time together. Put your hook through the loop, yarn over, pull the loop through, then yarn over, pull through both the hooks. So you have a single crochet. This is how your completed single crochet should look like. I'm hoping you understood how to make single crochets. These are amongst the basic stitches that you should know while learning crochet, and they will help you start making small beautiful patterns. So continue to practice this at home so that you can be good at this. And in the next video we will learn how to do a double crochet. It is slightly bigger than your single crochet, but the concept is really similar. So see you guys.